Yo, what's up, fellas? We're back on the channel here with Brzezicki Brothers Performance, getting at you at the garage, putting in some work on a street sleeper. So we're doing some upgrades to the front brakes. We're putting some race brakes on from BAER, trying to lose some weight, go a little faster. Right now we're running like 9.2s in the quarter, trying to get into the 8s. So we'll see what happens. But let me show you what we're up to. So we're doing brake upgrade with the BAER brakes. Took the brembos off. This side's still on, gotta do it. Got the brembos from the GT500. We're gonna remove them. Put these rotors on. And these calipers. Drop a little weight. So let me show you some stuff here. We're gonna weigh it, show you how much it weighs and how much we are gonna lose in weight. These are pretty heavy. So, all right there, 35.8 pounds with the Brembo combination. Move the Brembos. So let's weigh the BAERs. £17.6. So let's go do a little math course here. I got everything written down. So we got a total of 18.2 pounds of a loss on each side. So a total of 36.4 would be the new weight, and the Brembos weigh 71.6 pounds for both sides. So you take that, now we got a total weight loss of 35.2 pounds for the front brakes, and then it'll also be a little bit more, I guess, because it's rotational weight. So we're cutting off some pounds here, and we're about to put the front brakes on. But like everything, it's not a full bolt on. See, I had the grinder out. And either, have to have a lathe and get this hub turned down right here. But I just took the grinder and went around a whole bunch until the rotor fit. Grinded it. So right now we're about to finally get them put on. Let's get them installed here. So they're marked right and left, passenger and driver side. Then you also have to take off the dust shields because the rotors hit them. You can't use the dust shields. Comes with all, you have to use their brake lines. Comes with new bolts. So there you have it. Pretty much installed. Still braided lines. Gotta buy them separate. And they're pretty much on. That's pretty much it. Now we'll have to bleed them. The most time spent is grinding down the hub so the rotors fit. The dust shield that I have to take off. So here we go back to this side. That will get removed. That bracket is part of the old factory brake line. That will get removed. We got new brackets. New brackets, bolts for the calipers. So next time you see it, it should be all back together. Give you a little shot of the BMR suspension on this car. Tubular rad support, tubular K member and A arms, that brace. And then we have the Coney's on here with BMR lowering springs, nothing fancy or special. And we go back here to the rear setup. Viking double adjustables. With some BMR rear springs. Look up in there. Got the cover. The axle tubes are welded. Lower control arm relocation brackets. Sway bar relocation bracket to fit the drag wheels. C-clip eliminators. The 3-inch studs with the upgraded strange axles. I think we got a true track locker in it. Factory GT rear brakes. Now this car makes 1,000 horsepower from, if you haven't watched any of my previous videos. So it's a street sleeper. The BAER brakes are looking pretty sweet. Next step will be bleeding it. So there you have it. Smash that like, share, and subscribe button. Keep on tuning in. Got plenty more coming. Going to be at the racetrack. We got the Coyote swap. We got the GT500 in the background. So we got plenty more stuff to show. So till next time, peace.